Alrighty, we are filling this tank up. It's a pretty deep tank. I put some dye in here just to confirm that the water is reaching outside. So we're gonna go outside. You want to turn around, Joseph? You have the pump kick on? Yeah, go ahead, go right now. And we just want to confirm that this bad boy is spilling into here. Where are you coming? Hurry up. Oh, yeah. I'm waiting for the dye to come in. Should be coming here any minute. No dye yet, but it should be coming. Oh, here's the dye. Beautiful. We're good. We're good. Okay, as you can see, we got the green dye in there. We put in a new injector pump. And here we go. I ended up lifting the discharge an extra 2.5 feet up in the air because it was short cycling and causing the pump to prematurely fail on them, but they're good to go.